Okay, Hunter bought the star targets, reactive targets. He's gonna shoot it with the Mosin Nagant. So we have it all shaken up. We're gonna put it down here on top of this log, and then hopefully he's gonna hit it. I think I'm gonna set the target down here. Set the camera down here so I can see it. It's not gonna hurt it. It's fine. Look at that. Oh, sweet.
Well, I guess there's glass everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah. Now there is.
Yeah. Exactly.
And none of these windows were affected. Look.
Yeah, it's because somebody shot one.
Yeah, he's an idiot.
Brandon.
That was. I'm gonna buy more of those explosives.
I
Didn't even do that much damage.
Yeah, it did.
Right, it's just because the wood's wrong.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch it. You're gonna get glass in your hands.
Man, you got glass everywhere.
Pretty sure glass went up in the air. Like the duck. Okay, my turn shooting the Mosin.
Right through my door, Hunter.
Actually, I want the pistol.
Nice shot. Full tap.